Jaja, Bombo, Cleat, Newcastle,
crosses and crowbait and fly blow and terrible. So I would never friend Tina Chin. Chin did that, I do her blogging her and thinking ideas, and she always in a mix up and bagger. Then I saw her doing her cakes and stuff. In 2022 August, when I get verified, I go through Facebook and I see her, I'm go on her page and, oh guys, go follow Chef Noel, and he's so funny, and oh my God, and he got his blue tick, congrats, Chef Noel, and I want to be like you. And I say, you know, the thing that you can't get there and thing, and for some reason, I'm sorry, I'm going to try to encourage this girl, you know, to see if, and for some reason, she said to me, say, she don't get message from that thing, yeah. She sent me her number. I think I had one phone call with Tina Chin. I'm saying, yo, Tina Chin, you know, people say your cake nice, which me people say that all the time. So Tina Chin cake nice. And you can't take that from her. If her cake nice. I'm going to say to her, I say, yo, just focus, man. Just, you know, because she tell me, oh, they must say, oh, she has shipped empty box. And people send people who should work. The material. How can I sit?
Sorry, then. I know I'm not going too long.
Focus. She told me. More one Bible. She told me. I swear for my life, for my entire generation. I swear for my mother was sick. Well, she's not really sick, but you know, she have pressure on them or something there. Tina Chin tell me, say,
nah, man,
she get more sales.
Right, share.
Life. Tina Chin said she get more sales when she cuss people. And I'm from Deso.
Well, I would believe that.
That was 2022, about December, whatever. So that was 2022, December. Now, follow me. What pen and paper, write it down. Mix up bloggers, write it down.
I'm right here.
Write it down. Follow the date. February of 2023 was when Donna go repost my food. And from Dessa, the war start. She drop a Kingston 13 wagwan. She drop a big comment and died, right? Then me hear the swell up one over England name trending drama for my name. And I say, but oh, me catching a mix up and drama. I say, yo, Tina, and so me catch us, but I'm gonna follow him, you know. And I say, oh, I know that guy's a planker, and he's a planker, and he's a, I'm gonna say, what the hell? Me not done a number, don't have my number. And Tina Chin just start drop word for me, oh, I'm gonna start come our page, I'm gonna stop this, I'm gonna stop that. I'm gonna say, really? I'm gonna stick on myself, I'm gonna say, yo, me no want no drama with that woman here. And that was it. I never said anything but about Tina. And
all work I did was posting.
Me no have a number, don't have my number, and that is it. So when you call and say me a chat and there's no, I don't know where Donna live. I don't even know where Mountain View there. Me only drive past Mountain View when me have an airport. You understand? Me no have nothing to chat about Donna same more than I put it on Facebook. So she's the
most people. That's true. They're not gonna hear me.
Is because she said, Donna, give me a forward. She said, all right, I'm going to mash them up. So she want to say, all right, I'm going to post up when say, but I post those on Facebook. I said what I said.
True.
On Facebook, me never email nobody, me never message nobody them. You understand? And as I said earlier, the woman grow, she change, and that's it. Me now told Tina Chin, me now go back and forth with her.
Important stuff.
I am somebody. And me not do Tina Chin more than I am continuing to pray for her healing. Me I pray for closure for her. I want to pray so her eyes open and realize that the handcuff that they put on her hands much years ago is no longer there. I want to realize that she's free. She's free now, she don't realize now. She's free and she don't realize. You understand? Me see my friend come on Facebook. I know that girl outside of Facebook. From 2012, me know the girl. She called me world boss. She called me world boss from day one. That girl focused on ear, brand, Our clothes, selling, hustling, always money talk, always business talk. I'm going to see this low life, crow bait, takes it on the woman. But my question is, how long will this go on? How long will we sit down on the internet and allow how long will we sit down and allow this to go on for and allow this one person to try and make everybody's life miserable? But she do her live in somebody screen record some part and send me. And me did angry at first, and then when I listen to her live, I'm listening to everything, I'm realizing, so yo, she said, oh, you work with tourists, both the hell is on the paper. I'm realizing this woman just bad mind. So me not even follow Tina Chin. To be honest, and my following know some love them and them love me, and I know say no one to see me in the light here, or hear me talk certain way, and me not carry it on. But this been happening a while now. From last year, Tina Chin.
Low battery.
Last year. Me no want Tina Chin audience. So me no care what she want to style me as over there on her page or what she want to say. Me no want her audience. And anybody on Tina Chin page is just a low life drunker. It's just a low life drunker. Anybody on Tina Chin page, because she will manipulate you. She will cry upon live. She will tell stories over and over. And when a person keep on telling us a lie over and over, you will believe it. Because there are so many people who are now converted. There are so many people who convert that say, you know, somebody believe that girl at one time. People watch Tina Chin live and see them cry. To see what this girl have got through. But that's mental illness she rub off pound. A mental illness she rub off pound. So we have to be careful of some of the people that want to sit down and listen to on Facebook, the bloggers and this, because them energy are going to rub off pound. And the energy going to become so bitter. This girl, Tina Chin, sit down and believe her own lie them. Back to the music from the top one more time. Remix. But I promise you no, I'm not lying. I swear. That was a conversation. There was no bad intention towards and I can't
gone too far, but I'm pull back out.
That's right. And to be changed say me copy our cake. That should be for Jamaica 60. Me do want flag cake for the launch of Jamaica 60 February. August, they want light up Niagara Falls, black, green and gold.
Low battery.
In the Jamaica 60 thing in the middle of the cake. I did it. I was so busy. I was doing Jerk Fest event Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Me up on TV at Toronto. How can I station me up on a run? I do radio, I do broad base. One time I decorate the cake and somebody record me audio business. But busy. August are my busiest time. And I said, what? I'm saying, yo, what am I going to do, man? I'm just do black, green, and gold on the cake. Black, green, and gold. Tina Chin cake was so different. When I post my cake, Tina Chin said, oh my God, great, my